Hello, are you ready? I have lots of things prepared for you today. I have collected a dozen important details that you should pay attention to when practicing my complete video hour, Ballet Stars. These are tiny but very important details that will help you look beautiful and elegant in every dance performance. If you are ready, let's get started! Let's start with how to hold your fingers, hands and arms. First of all, your fingers should always be closed with your thumb slightly turned in towards your palm. That's it, that looks good. Next, your elbows. Don't bring your elbows back like a chicken wing. You should open them widely to the side with your shoulders nicely lowered so your neck would show long and beautiful. Great! The basic position for your arms is always round. Thumbs should close towards your palm. A small breath with your arms moving and your elbows pointing out. Great! And next, we'll do the relevé, which means rising onto the balls of your feet. Close your ankles and straighten your knees nice and long. Here comes the plié or knee bend. Keep your knees together and the whole time keep your back very straight. Let's combine this with the relevé. So, plié and relevé. Plié, relevé. Bravo! Next, we'll go through the basic arm positions in ballet, followed by port de bras, which means movement of the arms. Flatten your stomach, lower your shoulders right away. From the preparatory arm position, take small breaths with your arm movements. Only the lower arms move, open them slightly to the side while your palms are turned down as if they were breathing in. Then we round our arms back into base position. Now we'll combine the first, the third, and the second arm positions. Pay attention to your back, don't slouch, keep it nice and straight throughout the exercise. Your elbows should always be round but firmly held. In first position, our arms should be round as if we were holding a big round ball. In third position, make sure to lower your shoulders as much as you can, so your neck would show nice and long. In second position, watch the elbows. Don't drop them. Your shoulders, elbows and hands should all be in one line. Let's see it again. Straight back, round arms, elbows held up nicely, don't drop them. Let's repeat, paying attention to the details. Elbows, arms in one line, long neck, shoulders down. That's it. Let's repeat. Straight back, round arms, elbows held up nicely, don't drop them. Elbows, arms in one line, long neck, shoulders down. That's it. Great! Now let's look at the jump. Plié, jump, plié, straight. When you do the plié, your knees should be closed. That's your starting position for the jump. Up in the air, straighten your knees and point your toes nicely. Make sure to always land with your knees bent again, so into a plié, never land with your legs straight. Nice job! Now we look at the jump where you alternate your legs. First, pull up your right foot, then your left foot next to the other knee while bending your supporting leg. Touch your pointed toe to the side of your knee while keeping your back straight. So, plié, pull, plié, pull, plié, plié, pull, plié. Great! Let's continue with the leg positions in ballet. The first, second, third, fourth, and fifth positions. So, in first position, your heels close. In second, your heels are 1 foot apart. In third, your 2 heels cover each other. In fourth, the 2 feet are a foot ahead of each other. In fifth, close or turned out feet. Let's practice these positions with the other foot too. In each position, make sure that your hips, knees and feet are all turned out. Your belly stays flat and your back is straight. The toes should always point out. Keep your knees straight. If you stretch every day, so if you regularly do exercises that increase your flexibility, in time your leg positions will be more beautiful and easier to execute. Make sure that your feet don't fall in. You always need to stand on your whole feet. Oops, that's it. Your knees should also be pointing out, not only your toes. Your weight should be balanced on both feet. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. The first, second, third, fourth, and fifth positions. Congratulations, nice job! Now let's look at something essential when walking in ballet, the turned out, pointed toes and legs. The knees and pointed toes of your working leg should always be nice and straight. Turn your pointed toes out, never inwards. That's called sickling. Ooh, ugly, sickled feet. Now it's nicely turned out. Sickled. Nice. Now let's try out stepping exercise. The feet are turned out, toes pointed. With every step, you roll from your pointed toes onto your full feet. So, point, roll, step forward elegantly and lightly. Keep your back straight, your belly flat, shoulders down. Nice! Let's practice again. Point, roll, point, roll, point, roll. Great job! Your working leg is the one that is not holding your weight, so it can be moved freely. Point, roll, point, roll, point, roll. Point, roll, point, roll, point, roll. Great job! Now let's get to the pointed flex exercise in a sitting position. Straighten out your back, lower your shoulders. Stretch your knees and pointed feet. Long neck. When flexing, move your toes back. Don't slouch. Keep your back straight. That's it. Now let's lie down on our backs because we'll be doing our bridge exercise, but first let's practice lifting up our straight legs. Let's push our waist down to the ground with our arms beside our bodies, palms facing down. Lift one leg, making sure that both of your knees and feet are nice and straight. Lift your other leg. Flex, point, knees nice and straight. lifting 2 legs at once. Let's try to lift both legs with knees straight, toes pointed. That's all there is to it. Now let's do the bridge exercise. Lie down on your back with your arms nice and long beside your ears. Bring the arms in. Turn your palms facing down with your fingers straight. Bring your legs up, your feet close to your butt on the ground. From this position, push yourself up into a bridge with a quick, decisive motion. Try to stretch your knees and elbows as much as you can. So, arms, legs, bridge. Great! Now let's turn on our bellies because we'll be doing the cradle exercise. First, let's hold our ankles from the outside. Then with a good momentum, let's bring ourselves up into the cradle position. Let's repeat it one more time. Great! Next is the straddle position. We'll take a look at what to pay attention to so our spritz leather would look beautiful and elegant. Let's straighten out our legs, knees and pointed feet. Turn your knees up towards to the ceiling. That is very important. Keep your back straight. Shoulders down. Ouch! Slouching. And now straight posture. Feet, knee, back. And your long neck. Hold on to your flexed toes, stretching your knees out. That's tickled right there. Now it's beautiful again. Good job, congratulations. Let's dance together again tomorrow. Hugs and kisses. Bye for now.